These are the reasons why you guys aren't making gains. It's because you're going to the gym without knowing what exercises you're gonna do. And the easiest way to do it is the push-pull leg split. You're gonna be doing one day of pushing with your arms, the second day pulling with your arms, and the third day you're gonna be doing leg movements. You rest the next day and then you rinse and repeat it. Also, I see a lot of people where they're dropping the weights, they're not controlling it. When they're bringing the weight down on the negative, your form, make sure that you're not ego lifting and you're lifting the amount of weight that you can handle. Take it slow, take it easy, and control it. I want you guys focusing on the big compound movements like bench, squat, deadlift. That'll give you the biggest return on investments. I personally don't do abs directly because I know when I'm on a cable pull down station, it directly targets the core already. Also for your foods, make sure you're tracking your food, because if you're just guessing, I can guarantee you your body isn't what you would like it to be. And you would have to control what goes into your mouth. Make sure you track the liquids, because I know one of my friends, he gained a bunch of weight and I asked him, how many coffees are you drinking? And he said, I drink 8 coffees a day. It dehydrates you. And also the guy's putting creamer in his coffee. And each creamer serving is about 40 calories. It's like sugar candy. I know because I used to do it. Because I used to drink coffee. I didn't even need it. I just drank it because it was available at the office and it tasted good. So be aware of what you're eating. The sauces, for example, ranch dressing, it's 120 calories for 2 tablespoons. Versus if I get the sugar-free barbecue sauce, it's only 20. Figure out what sauces you could do. Substitute lower calorie foods so that you can eat more food. For example, strawberries versus a banana. You could eat a carton of strawberries and it's pretty minimal. Versus if you ate 2 bananas, it's packed with carbs. I eat bread, I eat rice, and you would have to plug it into that Lose It app. Also for your sleep, dial it in. Because I know when you guys are missing workouts, or if you're not motivated to go, it's because your sleep is trash. If you need a tracker, get a tracker to see how many hours of sleep you're getting. Maybe you're doom scrolling on your phone. Get rid of the useless applications and get clear on what you want in terms of your body, your mind. Journal on it, speak on it, manifest it, create a vision board. Even ChatGPT, it can help you, because I know if you go into the explore section and you go to fitness and health, you could give it prompts such as, I'm a man, I'm 42 years old, I'm 5'6.5", I weigh X amount of pounds. You either want to gain weight or you want to lose weight. Make sure it remembers what information you're giving it. Give it the foods you like to eat. If you have any injuries, allergies, and ask it for a split. If you guys are willing to work out 5 to 6 days a week, then tell it. If you guys are willing to work out for an hour, 90 minutes, tell it as well. If you guys are working out at home in the gym, it'll give you a good detailed plan. But you would still have to track your exercises, your weights, your reps, so that next time you go into the gym, you know what weight to hit. You're not guessing. Because I know I would be working out with friends. I would do my workout beforehand. Because these guys, they could just be guessing. They could say, oh, I know what I'm going to do. But then you're not getting results because you don't know what you're doing. Maybe you don't have a coach. Maybe you think you know what you're doing and you're getting frustrated that you're not seeing any gains. Maybe you're not shredded or you're a little pudgy. These things, they could be fixed if you work on the things that I'm telling you in this video. Also, whoever you're associating with, do they have bad habits? Are they smoking, drinking, doing drugs, playing video games, staying up late? Disassociate with these kinds of people because they're not going to help you on your journey. And how are you going to feel? What's the cost if you don't change now? It's going to be a bunch of pain and regret later on. The main reason why I got on the self-development journey was because I knew in my mind and my heart that I wasn't operating at my full capacity. I was having deleting thoughts. I was thinking of how would I end it all. And it sounds kind of ridiculous because we have one life and we have all of our opportunities, our blessings. It's more a mindset. If I could say I get to go to the gym in the morning, I get to see my friends, I get to give compliments and receive them. I know I finished my workout before most of you guys woke up. I could confidently say it. It's not just about the body. It's who you become on this journey. And it's a big part. It solves a lot of problems because I could be depressed. I need goals so that I could embrace life, so that I will want to live. I will want to grow as a person. And these things, it allows me to be creative in my life and to be inspired, to push for more, to see what I could do. Because I needed to be my own superhero, my own professional athlete. That's how I think when I go in a gym. It's game time. I'm the man, I'm the star when I walk through those doors. I want to look good. I want to feel good. Everybody in that gym is my fan. That's how I think. And it could be delusional. It could be crazy. It is what it is. Tell yourself the stories that will empower you, that will make you thrive. If you guys have any negative thoughts that are deleting or they're self-deprecating, get rid of it. And be aware of what you're saying, what you're thinking. You have 60 to 70,000 thoughts a day, and they have to be the best thoughts. Essentially, you would have to be your biggest cheerleader. You would have to be your best friend, because there's many moments in time when you're alone. You're not with anyone because nobody's waking up at 5 a.m. to go with me to the gym. It's rare that you would find these kinds of people. I want you guys to keep your word to yourself, that if you say you're going to do something, do it. Because how many times in life have people let you down? They didn't do what they said that they were going to do. Make sure you're not that guy. Make sure if you say something, you do it. You follow through and get your back. Prove to yourself that you're worthy. And within these last 2 months of 2025, you will see gains. It's guaranteed. Use all of your tools, study content, audiobooks, get smarter, watch YouTube videos that are going to help you instead of escaping into nothingness. Because I know I played video games in the past because my life was so shitty that I needed an escape. And real life is a video game. Level yourself up. Build your character, whoever you want to be, what you want to look like. And it'll be easier for you to form friend groups, to be able to talk to women. You're going to get looks and other guys are going to come up to you. Once you see gains, once you get above average, then it gets easier. It's like being on cheat code. I'll check you guys another time. I wish you well, and I hope you guys are on this self-development journey. And I hope that I can learn from you as well. Peace.